Selling your home in Phoenix? Then before you think about listing photos or open houses, let's talk strategy. I'm Denny with Living in Arizona Real Estate, and today I'm sharing the pre-listing steps you don't want to skip because they can mean the difference between sitting on the market and selling fast for top dollar. Let's dive in. Your home needs to look spacious, clean, and move-in ready. Start by clearing countertops, closets, and any extra furniture that crowds a room. A deep clean, yes, even the baseboards, helps buyers feel confident and excited. Remember, first impressions start online and in person, so this step lays the foundation. Leaky faucets, scuffed paint, loose doorknobs, fix them now. These may seem minor, but buyers notice and often overestimate the cost to repair them. I can walk you through what's worth fixing before you list. The outside is the first thing buyers see. Add some fresh rock, trim hedges, throw a pop of color on the front door, or add a new welcome mat. Staging helps buyers see the lifestyle, not just the layout. You don't need to redecorate the entire house. Even a few strategic touches, like updated pillows, fresh flowers, or a better furniture layout, can make rooms feel bigger, brighter, and more inviting. Most buyers will see your home online before they see it in person. That means photos matter a lot. Professional images make your home shine and can lead to more clicks, more showings, and stronger offers. Don't cut corners here. This is your digital first impression. If you're ready to list your home in Phoenix, let's make sure it's positioned perfectly to attract top dollar offers and sell without the stress. If this video helped you, be sure to like, Isaki X. Subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss an update.